Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to change language in the Coinbase wallet. So guys, if you're looking to change your Coinbase wallet language, it's quite easy. The gear icon at the bottom right, click on this icon and you'd be met with the list of settings ranging from help, invite friends, notifications, which includes your preferences, connect to the Coinbase, and display. Now what we're going to be working with is the display option. So if you click on the display menu, you'd be asked whether you wish to change your language from the language that is set, which is the English US. You could change this language to Espanol, Dutch, Portuguese, Brazil, Turkey, Japanese, and so many other languages. Now, these languages are limited to your area, so you could simply set it to French, and now the language is being updated. So the app is going to restart with this language. So once you've selected this language, you'd find that everything is different here. As you can see, the sentences are written in a different manner. So guys, that's how you can easily change your language on the Coinbase wallet. Do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.